biggest home sale, get everything for your home, all in one place. Like the Keurig Mini Plus Brewer, new bedding, and new sheets. Colorful plush towels, and the latest luggage. Plus, get $50 off your luggage purchase of $200 or more. And everyone gets $10 Kohl's Cash for every $50 spent. From your kitchen to your bedroom. Find it all at Kohl's biggest home sale. Going on now. Great savings that make you go Kohl's. Kohl's. Expect great things.
Hey, are you the new Colgate Slim Soft? Your bristles are so slim.
My frosted bristles are up to 17 times slimmer than other toothbrushes. They easily clean between teeth and along the gum line.
Wow, so slim.
Colgate Slim Soft. Floss tip bristles for a deep clean.
If you enter that room, you could break the bond that we've created. Or we could go in and beat him with a phone book. You just need to be patient.